We are pleased to show you the 2021 RX 450h. The RX 450 Hybrid sports the innovative ECO mode, allowing your vehicle to consume less energy and regulate the throttle response for even more acceleration. It also features an exhaust heat recovery system that turns off the gasoline engine more quickly, allowing the vehicle to function on battery power alone. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, starter type, motor generator, regenerative braking system, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Only the best pre-owned Lexus vehicles qualify for the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program. Warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection provide you total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Lexus Certified Pre-Owned program.